Hey guys, it's Dan here, and today we're going to be making this. Not the jacket, obviously. I made the jacket in previous videos, but we're going to be making a mannequin shoulder form. So this is good for patterning different things and making it easier. And what I'm going to use it next on is making everything that goes over this, because I can't really pattern on my own shoulders too well. And I want everything to be curved while I make it attached. So let's get into the build. Alright, so I have this old chair thing. I have this old handle that I don't use for anything. And I have some foam. I'm going to make a stand that can hold up a costume, or at least the top half of one, so I can work on it like it's a person. Yay, so let's get to cutting this, to fitting around this, and to showing you that hole. So I have the knife and the foam. I traced a little line. I'm going to take this, cut straight down. Throw that in the trash, which I missed. And do that all the way around, then do some angle cuts. Yeah! We're just making the foam smaller. Alright, so I made really rough cuts, don't really care about what it looks like. It's going to be shoved into metal pipe, so it'll compress. And I have it shallower here, thinner I mean, and thicker up here, so let's see if it fits. It's really tight. Alright, so we're going to cut a little more. Alright, well that's secure enough. I'll just cut off the rest. Okay, now let's go on to making the shoulders. Alright, so I have this rough scrap piece of wood where I have pin lines drawn for very, very rough estimate of how far down my shoulders go at the distance from the center. I'm gonna take a saw, cut these off, drill a hole right here, just place it on top. Alright, excuse the mess, I'm in the middle of making a full Thor cosplay. Yay. Okay, so we have lines on this marked off where this should stop about, to be about close to where I am shoulder height. So I add some Gorilla Tape here as a stop, and then tape foam on top, and that should be it. Perfect. Ooh. Lines. Look at that. So, and I want it to spin too, so that's good. So I can be working on it and spin them around. Alright, so let's get foam taped on and we'll be done. Alright, so I got this piece of scrap foam that I put a hole in. I'm just going to start by taping this one on. Probably cut it so it folds to the shape, and then I'm going to do thicker upholstery foam. Alright, I did some real quick V-grooves, undercuts. So let's get this on. Yeah, so let's get upholstery foam on top and then we'll be done. Okay, and so for the most expensive part of this build, actual upholstery foam. I don't use it too much, but for padding like inside stuff, I'm going to tape this on each side, and then we'll have a nice form for shoulders to hold up something. Hey, look. So I ran out of the glue, used some duct tape, used some Gorilla Tape. to finish off taping it. But yeah, see, we're about the same height. Shoulders in about the same spot. Close enough. So you can hold stuff like this on it. So let's see if that works. Yeah. Look at that. Now I can start making costumes a little easier without having to size it on me and all that stuff. I can spin it around. Yeah. Yeah, so I hope you guys really like how I made this simple and cheap, because I used all materials that I had laying around. Most of the stuff is just foam and old stuff that I found laying around, like scrap wood, scrap pole, scrap piece of a chair. I'm sure everyone has a scrap chair that they can take apart. Yeah, so other than that, this build was super simple, fun, and easy, and it's going to help me make everything on my Thor build a little bit easier to make, and any costume that comes after that, at least the torso half. So if you like this video, please give it a like, leave a comment below. You can check out my Patreon, which is going to be linked in the description also. In the Patreon, for just $1 a month, you can have unlimited benefits, including seeing videos early after $3 a month, or getting your name in the video, like the name that you see right here. Yeah, so they get it in there, and it's just $1 a month. So if you pay $1 a month for 12 months, that's an entire year. You're only paying $12. $12 to help support me make cool videos. You could buy a dinner for a lot more than that. You could buy a coffee, 2 coffees for about that price. And if you just don't buy 2 coffees for an entire year and you send it to me instead, then these videos will look really cool. Right? Alright, so you can see some of my other videos over here that I make. Some parkour stuff might be in there, but I also do a lot of making with wood, foam, plastic, and more. You can subscribe right here-ish and check out my Patreon. We'll see you next time.